In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Calendly API Key. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, let's head over to the Calendly website. If you're not familiar, Calendly is a fantastic online appointment scheduling software that simplifies setting up meetings and appointments. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to calendly.com. Once there, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. If you're not already a Calendly user, you'll need to create an account before proceeding. Logging in will take you directly to your Calendly home. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the Calendly homepage. This is your central hub for managing your meetings and schedules. From here, we want to head to the integration section. This is located under your account settings. In this section, Calendly provides a variety of ways to connect with other applications, which is crucial for harnessing the full power of its scheduling tools. Within the integration section, keep an eye out for an option labeled Integrations and Apps, and click on it. This area houses all possible integrations Calendly offers, and is an incredibly useful resource for connecting with other digital platforms you may be using. Now, to find the API access, use the search feature typically available on the page. Simply type in API to quickly locate the desired option. After you've searched for API, you will see an option titled API and Webhooks. This is what you need to click on to access your API key information. Once you are at the API and Webhooks section, you will find the tools necessary to develop custom applications using Calendly or to integrate seamlessly with third-party software. You should see options to view your current API keys or to generate a new one if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to the right place to access your API key on Calendly. With this key, you can now integrate Calendly into other applications, automate scheduling tasks, and customize your scheduling workflows to better fit your needs. Make sure to keep your API key secure and do not share it with anyone you don't trust, as it can provide access to your scheduling data. That wraps up our quick guide on retrieving your Calendly API key. Thanks for joining me in this step-by-step tutorial. Feel free to come back to this video whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore more of Calendly's features while you're in the app. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy scheduling!